Well, my name is John Aaron. I'm the city manager for Hearne, Texas. When I came in, we were dealing with a lot of, we've had employees who've been with us for 20 years, and they had a lot of knowledge of the system. But unfortunately, as they have retired, we started to lose more and more of that knowledge. So we needed to get GIS. So I found that iamGIS for everyone has been easy. I've got boomers out in the field who they're actually using their smartphone and going through and making changes on the fly. They're able to look for water lines, and get a good idea so that they can direct their people to find valves, find lines. So we've taken the iamGIS and we are uploading pictures where as we find lines, as we find different parts of our infrastructure that unfortunately were lost due to that proprietary knowledge that we had talked about. So one of the things that we've done here, we're creating a street master plan. I had my council come to me and they asked me, they said, John, we want a comprehensive street plan. So I got with Tony at iamGIS and sent him an email. I said, hey man, I need this layer I need to be able to choose a condition of the street, and I need that street to be color coded. So if it's failing, it's going to be in red. If it's good to go, it's going to be in green. If it's poor and about to fail, we need it to be in orange, and a few other colors in there. And they were able to do it. Now, one of the other things I like about iamGIS is they have a work order ability. So I was able to go in and click, basically on the spot of the pothole or the problem. And then I can send out a work order to my guys and they can look on their tablets and say, okay, you know what, that's okay, John sent us a problem, so they can take a look at it and go out and fix it. And they can take a picture of it and either put it in the work order so that I can approve it or send it directly to me by text. So, and now keep in mind, some of these people that are getting this are your different generations. So this is boomers and Generation X. Who may not be as comfortable with technology as your typical millennial, but these guys are rocking it out. They're doing it, they're using it, they're loving it. It's that easy to use. We've created a maintenance program for our fire hydrants, and we've got all the information in there. And I've got a gentleman who he's actually our animal control officer. He's going around and he's testing our fire hydrants. So he's basically turning them on. He's getting the pressure and he's getting the flow pressure, and then just making sure they work. And our fire department should be able to coordinate with that information once we're finished, and so they know a good hydrant from a bad hydrant. And the more data that you put in, the more you're going to be able to use it. And most importantly, because I may not be here, you never know, or they may retire and go somewhere else. Anyone coming in this office or in my public works office, they're going to be able to take a look at this and know what was done in the past and help with the plans for the future.